Check this out. Here is a quick unboxing of the barber tools I bought on Temu. This is the first time I'm actually buying something on the Temu app. One of the reasons is because these are things I have always wanted. At first, I wasn't sure if these items would arrive, but thank God my package is here. Guys, this unboxing video shows my honest thought on the quality of this product. Let's get into it. First on the list is the Barber Apron. It matches the seller's picture on Temu. I really like the design, and it's made of nice polyester material. As you can see, the quality is good and meets my expectations. I'm giving it an 8/10. Next in line is the Barber Enhancement card. It's made of plastic material, and I really like the quality. It comes with a V-shaped design. I haven't tried it yet, but I will be testing this out when I get back to the shop. I'm giving it a 7/10. Another item I really like is the Barber Fade brush. When I first saw this on Temu, the picture looked a little bit bigger. Surprisingly, it fits perfectly well in my hand. As you can see, I can't wait to test it out. I'm giving it a 9/10. This is another product I ordered on the Temu app. It's a filler hair powder designed to fill in wide hair gaps, creating a fuller looking hair on the scalp. I'm giving this product a 9/10. Next is a barber razor holder. As you can see, it comes with 2 extra razor blades that you can use straight away. I think the quality looks good because it feels strong in the hand. I'm giving it a 7/10. The last item I have in the bag is this combo scissors pack. These are made of stainless steel and feature a texturizing cleaning shear and a trimming scissor. The only thing I noticed is that they are not as big as I thought, but I love them anyway. I'm giving them a 7/10. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm actually giving Temu a 9/10 for my overall experience on the Temu app. This is a great alternative for barbers in Nigeria or Africa who don't have the budget to buy from Amazon. Temu is a great alternative. I wish you the best of luck as you search to buy your next barber tools. Like, comment, and share with your friends. I will see you in the next one.